Hey guys, this is Rafiq from HelpGent team. So I'm going to show you how you can add advanced logic or conditional logic to your HelpGent form. So let's go to the forms. I have 4 forms, so let's create a brand new forms. So use the template. All right, this is the support. It's importing the form, it's ready. So let's add a few more screen. Picture select. All right. So I'm not showing all the, I'm just covering 2 or 3. All right, let's set a logic in the first step. So here is the long text. So let's set a, here is a logic building, rules building section. So I'm gonna set a rule if the long text is equal, or you can set is not equal to, begins with, ends with, contains, doesn't contain. So let's uh, begins with how. All right, so this is how begins. If it begins with how, then jump to phone number. All right. Okay, so I'm going to test on the one logic for now. So let's check it first. So this is the phone number, and that's just 4. So usually it should go to the number 2 steps, but for the logic it should be redirect to number 4. Let's publish it. Let's have a check. So how to be a yeah, this works. All right, this phone number. So let's back again and let's start with a different word. How are you? Not how. What is your name? No, this is the second step. All right. So that's it. Yeah, this is the the logic. I'm gonna show you another things about the drop down. Here is a drop down. All right. So let's go to the logic. I have few options, 4 options. So this amazing things, if the drop down is like option 2, then go to the screen number 5 and let's add a different rule. If the drop down option is number 4, if someone select number 4, then go to the end screen directly. So what a powerful tool is it, yeah? So let's add a different on it. So you can set as many as it possible, yeah? So let's go to the select. So if the select is like is or not, is not, all right, and the picture select, if the picture select is or not is, all right. So let's go to the number field, promoter score. This is amazing. Add a rule. The score is equal to or not equal to, lower than, greater than, is lower or equal. So there are lots of options, right? So you can add a different, and so here is the 2 rules. Just delete it. So you can set, and if this if the promoter score is equal to 5 or 5 and less than, lower than 10, then jump to the contact info. That's it. So if someone input like the 7, say select the 7, then he will go to the um, selected screen. So this how it works. So I think it's really amazing. You can build as many screen as possible, as many screen as you want, all right, with powerful conditional logic. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.